I used to have my artwork on the beach, like out there on the beach. I just usually use like dye and shoe polish, you know, and color the work. And when I put it down on the sun, when the wind blow, it all would blow like in the grooves. And I always say, that look good. I started using the sand from 2002. I just use a brush to brush on the glue and the moon face. And after I brush it on like this, my shop was just like that with sand in the bottom. And I just take up the sand and spread over it and I said, yeah, this look good. From there, everything started till where it reached. I'm using 7 different shades of sand now. Man, every one of them sand, man, come from different area of Jamaica. This come from Green Island, and this come from Busby. This come from Clarendon, Milk River Bath. A lot of people surprised to know that even Jamaican surprised
like me.
to know that we have so many different styles. And we have a lot more different shades, you know, but some of the shades are close.